Dear viewers, welcome to our video presentation on Project Delta. For this project, we looked at the problem of sea level rise for the Delta city of Paramaribo. In this presentation video, we will discuss what the problem means for Paramaribo, have a look at the possible solutions, and go through the building capacity model we developed. So for this project, we focused on protecting the coastal area of Paramaribo from further erosion due to rising sea levels. This area is located between the red lines shown on the map to the right of this slide. This area is named Weg naar Zee. The map on the left of this slide shows the presence of mangrove in the year 1996, and the map on the right shows the presence of mangrove in the year 2020. It is clearly noticeable that the mangrove at Weg naar Zee have disappeared in the past 20 years. This is mainly due to human actions. A solution must therefore be devised for the situation at Weg naar Zee to prevent further erosion by sea level rise. And since Suriname does not have the financial resources and not the right foundation to implement a hard construction, the solution must be based on building with nature, such as the use of mangrove.
But how do mangroves help to protect against sea level rise? The most important function of mangroves is wave dampening. Because the aerial roots of the mangroves stand like sticks in the water, the waves feel resistance and wave action decreases. After 200 meters mangrove forest, the wave action has decreased by almost 100%. As wave action decreases, calmer waters are created. In these calm waters, the sediment in the water can settle. Through all this settling, the seabed grows. With an eye to the future, the seabed can grow along with the sea level rise to a certain extent. The growth of the seabed is called accretion and is around 7 mm a year, according to several studies.
Our building capacity is an easy tool to calculate coastal gain or coastal loss. Here you can see how. To calculate coastal loss or gain, we have provided a simple calculation tool where you can put multiple variations in the calculation. First, you need to put the number of years in the calculator. This will tell how long the sea level rise will take and how much accretion will take place. Secondly, you need to tell how much sea level rise will take place in the coming years. Thirdly, you need to say how much sediment will arrive in the mangrove per year it exists. And as last, you need to say how much the slope will be for each side of the mangrove. The coastal gain or loss is shown here in the map. We have created multiple scenarios that you can find back in this map and is also put in the article.
It is highly possible that in the near future the sea level rise will be above 7 mm per year. This graph here shows what possibly could happen to the coast of Weg naar Zee if no action is taken. The scenario is not desired and therefore we have come up with a few solutions to combat this problem. Our first solution is to combine mangroves with sand nourishment to increase the accretion rate. Secondly, combining mangroves with a hard structure such as a dike. And lastly, constructing a line of dunes to strengthen the coast. We have given 3 possible building with nature solutions for protecting the coast of Paramaribo, and therefore we believe to have answered the main question how to protect Paramaribo's coast against different sea level rises with the use of mangroves while keeping building with nature in mind. In our capacity building we have estimated some values, such as slopes, relative sea level rise in Suriname and the accretion rate of mangroves in Suriname. We therefore recommend to further research those values for a more reliable answer in the building capacity. Our proposed solutions could work, but an integrated approach is needed to fully address the whole issue. Further research is necessary to determine the most effective methods of protecting the coast of Weg naar Zee in the face of rising sea levels. Thank you for listening. If there are any questions, please ask them now. And for more information, look on our website mangrovesparamaribo.weebly.com.